Huh?
Never mind. Just shoot it.
Is that high? Dude, I can't shoot the damn rifle. It don't feel like it's shooting. It is.
There you go. Low left.
Where'd that go?
Where'd that go? I wasn't paying attention.
Oh, these go. It don't feel like it's ever gonna shoot, and then it does when you don't.
And you're out. How many rounds does that thing hold?
Like 12.
Oh, there we go. How ya?
It shoots low though for some reason.
That would kill mid, that would kill the mid.
Shoots low because the sights ain't right. I was looking at it. You line the sights up, you're pointing down.